So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you download MariaDB, which is a SQL based database. So firstly let's move in our browser and search for MariaDB. MariaDB. You will see the first link from mariadb.org. Just click on that. You will be redirected to this particular URL. Now you have to select your server version, which server you want to install. I will keep it as default and my operating system is Windows and it is 64-bit. I have to download the MSI package. I will just click on download. Just wait for a second, guys. Okay. You can just click here to download that directly. Just reload this. Just click on save button. This will take up a few seconds. So yeah, it is downloaded now. Just click on this and minimize your browser. Click on next. Then again, I accept the terms and license agreement and then again next. Keep it as default. If you want to change the location of the installation, then you can just go in browse tab and change that. Then again next. Now you have to create your root password. So I will be creating a root password instantly. Then you can also check this option, enable access for from remote machines for root user. Then click on next. Then again next. Okay, so we need to change the port. I will be going with 3300. Click on install button. Click on yes. Now this will start installing. I'll pause the video till it gets installed. So yeah, you can see that this is downloaded. Just click on finish. Now we will go in our command prompt. But firstly, we will go in our all files and follow up him. You can see that this is a MariaDB folder. You will see many files here and applications, you can see. So this is the MySQL client for MariaDB and this is the command prompt and this is the database directory. Okay, we can just go inside this if you want to, like you can see, edit some files or databases. For now, just close this and go there again in the M section here. You have to open your MySQL client. Here, this will ask you to enter your root password. I will just enter that. So yeah, you can see that we have successfully entered in our MariaDB. Your MariaDB connection ID is 3. You can see that. And this is the server version. That means you have successfully installed MariaDB on your computer. Now for the configuration, we will make another video. So let's end this video for now. That's all for this video, guys. Now let's see you next time.